Hi guys, welcome back to Proggy. So, are you tired of spam emails and data breaches? What if you could hide your real email while still receiving important messages? That's where a feature like Firefox Relay comes in. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up, why email aliasing is important, and how to use it to protect your privacy online. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the setup, let's talk about why email aliasing matters. So there are three important points which I want to share. Like the first one is avoiding spam. Like many websites require an email address to sign up, but not all of them keep your data private. With an alias, your real email stays hidden, reducing the spam. The second one is it prevents data breaches. So if a website suffers a data breach, your real email won't be exposed. You can simply delete the alias and create a new one. The third is stay anonymous, of course. Whether you're signing up for newsletters or testing services, aliases keep your identity completely private. So now that you know the benefits, let's set up Firefox Relay. So open your browser, which can be anything, Firefox or Chrome also, and go to Firefox Relay. Just type that in your Google search, and that will take you to the Firefox Relay result. Click on this and it will take you to the official page. From there, you have to go to sign up. So basically, at this step, what it wants is to create a Mozilla account because without that, it will not function. So I had already logged in with this particular account a little bit earlier, but like if you're new, I think so you will get this page. You can use your email ID also to get an OTP or something, and you can sign up by that method, or you can use your Apple or Google accounts for logging in also. So I will choose continue with Google, and now I am in my home page of Firefox Relay. So let us first create a new mask. So click on this button and you can see one mail address has come with at mozmail.com suffix. Then it is asking you to add an account name. So let me, for testing purposes, write this as CNN newsletter. Remember, this is the free version of Firefox Relay, so you can create a maximum of 5 masks, I guess. And then you can see that what emails do you want to block. So here the default option is none, but you can also go for all that. Technically, you want to block all emails, but I don't know why that will you do. So let's keep it on none. And it's already created and ready for use. So after logging into Firefox Relay from your email setup, you can get this welcome message. So just take a note of that. Now I'll show you how to use the feature. So let us go to CNN's newsletter. I'm just using this for a test case. Let's choose breaking news. Okay. Here you have to add the address. So let me go there and go to Firefox Relay and copy the masked email, and then let me click and paste it over here and just click on sign up. That's it, you have subscribed. Just skip this password part. This is specific to this website, I guess. So now you can see that one email has come, and let us check this. So if you go to the details, you will see the mail has actually come from replies@relay.firefox.com, but I'm also getting the original sender of the email. So the information is not hidden like that. And I think so. The relay is working. If you go there, you will see the email forwarded counter is now 1. So I think that's great and it's working. Now the question comes how you use Firefox Relay in real life. So as I said, you can generate multiple masks and make this for just newsletters, something for a new mask for signing up, for coding pages, maybe. Like that, you can create up to 5 masks in the free version. For example, if you're signing up for too many websites, use your relay alias instead of your real mail. That's one use. The second can be you're getting too many mails. Let's say you're getting too many mails from CNN. What you do is that you just delete the mask, or you can, put it into a block mode. So the relay will block all the mails. Or if you want a custom alias, then that is a premium feature and you have to pay for that. One more thing, this is specifically for Firefox users. You can also add this relay functionality as an extension in your Firefox web browser. So for that, you have to go to the Firefox browser add-ons web page, or like if you want to see how it's done, go to application menu, add-on and themes, find more add-ons, then just type relay. Then you will get to this page, add to Firefox, click on add button, and that's it. Now it is asking you to sign up. So just use your Mozilla account. So as I've already signed in, it has directly taken me to my Mozilla web account page. Now with this extension installed, the cool thing is that when you select, a particular newsletter, you can see that I'm now getting this icon of Firefox Relay, right? So if I click it, I get to see all the particular masks which I have. So currently there are two. So let me choose a different one. So basically what this extension does is that take off the headache of remembering or copy pasting the particular mask each time. So speeds up your work. And that's it. With Firefox Relay, you can protect your inbox, reduce your spam, and keep your identity safe. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more privacy tips, and let me know in the comments, will you start using Firefox Relay? Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.